Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to replace the keyboard in a Lenovo 11E Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the 6 service cover screws. Next, you will use your spudger to carefully pry up and remove the service cover. Now, you will remove the 4 battery screws. Next, you will pull up on the tab at the top of the battery, disconnect the battery cable, and remove the battery. Now, you will remove the 2 M2x4 screws that are holding the keyboard in. You can now turn the Chromebook back over and use your spudger to carefully pry up the keyboard. Now, you can disconnect the keyboard cable and remove the keyboard. The first step in the installation of your replacement keyboard will be to reconnect the keyboard cable and snap the keyboard into place. Now, you will turn the Chromebook over and replace the 2 M2x4 screws. Next, you will reconnect the battery cable. Now, you will set the battery back into place and replace the 4 battery screws. Now, you will replace the service cover and the 6 service cover screws. You have now successfully replaced the keyboard in your Lenovo Chromebook. Nice job!